This is the Composite Beam Calculator transformed section, which analyzes stresses and properties of beams made from multiple materials with different elastic moduli. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose either Imperial or metric. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Next, enter the width B in inches. I'm entering 10. Then input another width B in inches, again 10. The third field is also width B in inches, entering 10 once more. Now enter the elastic modulus E1 in psi. I'll use 10. Input another elastic modulus E1 in psi, also 10. The final input is elastic modulus E1 in psi, entering 10 again. Now, simply click the button below to calculate the transformed section. Here are our results. The first modular ratio n equals 1,000. The second modular ratio n is 10,000. We get a third modular ratio n measured in inches. The fourth modular ratio n equals 6666.67, and the fifth is measured in inches to the fourth power. For stress in material 1, we see values in psi, another in psi, then 10,000, and finally a measurement in inches. Find the link in the description below.